What's up, guys? Welcome back for another quad vlog. So today is finally the day that I decided to come out and do a proper wheelie video on the quad ever since I put on the twist throttle. Alright, but first I think I'm gonna get gas because I know last time we came out to ride I pulled into the driveway with like the gas light on. So let me get gas first and then we'll head out. So right now we're headed out to the wheelie spot that we typically go to, but before we get there, I do want to mention I did upload last week, and maybe some of you guys didn't see it because I actually uploaded on Sunday morning. That was because, well, I kind of talk about it in the video, but I didn't really have time to film, upload, and everything like that before Saturday. So if you guys missed that video and want to check out my motovlogging setup, that's what I did the video on. Go ahead, I'll put the link in the description. I think she's broken down. If I knew that, I probably would have stopped and helped, but or passed her now. Ugh, it smells like, oh my god, it smells like straight poop up here. I don't know what the heck that is. It must be that meat packing plant right there. It literally smells like straight crap. It's actually a lot busier than normal. Alright, let's start practicing a little bit. Gosh, I don't know why there's so many cars. There's like literally 0 cars on Sundays. And by so many cars, I mean like one there and one there. But usually there's 0 on a Sunday night. I got scared. That probably would have been a good one too, but I don't know why I let off. To be honest, I'm kind of just looking for that like slow, gradual improvement over time. I know I'm not just gonna come out here and be good at it because obviously I suck. So I'm just looking for that like slow, gradual improvement, and then maybe I'll, you know, in like a month or two, I'll come out here and be able to like wheelie and switch gears. So that'd be cool. That's like the end goal for me. Honestly, I don't know why I just don't come into a parking lot like this and do it. Except that one's kind of bumpy. I don't really like that one. Whoa. God, I got scared again. That sucks. My clutch right now is dying, I can just tell. I've probably been out here for like 20 minutes just doing wheelies and this thing is not liking it. I think it's super, super hot. Hey, we got some dirt bikers. What's up, dude? Maybe one right here? Alright, I think that's enough for today for 2 reasons. The first being my clutch. It's getting a little hot. I don't really think it likes doing wheelies for like a half hour straight. You know, especially since I suck at them. The second reason, the wind shifted and that nasty crap smell is coming my way, so it's ruined the wheelie spot. This video was probably a pretty short one, but I wanted to keep it short and sweet. I wanted to come out and just show you guys the progress I've made with the wheelies, and today's the first day that I've actually came out and practiced wheelies with the twist throttle. I mean, if you ask me, I think we're making progress, but we're nowhere near, you know, riding a wheelie and switching a gear. That's kind of my end goal. I want to be able to ride a wheelie and shift from second to third, maybe even fourth, but, you know, that might be a stretch. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the shorter wheelie progress video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next Saturday for another quad vlog.